Hi. Are you going to say anything for me right now? Are you going to talk? Say something. Say anything. Dookie. You have your animals with you? Come on, you were just talking. Say something to me. Say anything. Nothing? You have nothing on your mind right now? Come on. You were just talking like crazy. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? So how's your day going? I see you watching hockey. And you got your little dolls with you. Are you good? Alright, well you're not going to talk. So I'll sign off. Say goodbye to your adoring fans.